For sure. So a couple different things before I go ahead and drill the holes. Most of the time people have their BuiltRight Dash Mount set in the front so that everything's kind of right up at the front. But then the problem is I like to put my sunglasses here. I like to do, put other things here, and I don't want it to slide back here. I feel like that's going to be really, really hard to get. So I'm actually going to mount it backwards just to see how it fits in there. I'm also going to leave the rubber tray part in because, if I throw my wallet up there, throw my glasses, I want the tray I want the rubber to kind of bounce against the plastic so I don't get a lot of rattling. So, not sure if you're supposed to do this, not sure how many other people did it, but we're going to give it a shot. Thought I'd show you guys the final product once the BuiltRight Industries Dash Mount is set in. You'll notice we mounted it backwards, and that way we can run the iPad, charging cable running right into the bottom, plenty of room for that. You will notice we are using a Mob Armor, I believe it's the TabNetic Mount, which is massive. You'll see how big that thing is. And we are running an iPad mini vertically. Nice thing about this is it's magnetic, so I can take it off. Got the nice little plate. I can run it horizontally if I want to. You'll notice this thing's not going anywhere. Super, super strong, really hard to get off there. I mean, look at the size, the sheer mass of this mount. I love the fact that I can take it all off that easily. Put it all down in the tray. Super stealth, can get rid of it, take it in and out. It's not something that's sitting up there that somebody's going to notice and want to steal at some point in time. You'll notice this mount attached to the dash tray is so strong that whole tray moves around if I sit here and shake it really, really hard. But as we're just driving around, very little movement, nothing at all. We went off-roading this past weekend, worked great, didn't have any issues with vibration or anything along those lines. Really love the way it's set up, and like I said, I can run it horizontal, vertical, have a great time. Definitely recommend it. Really wish at some point in time BuiltRight would actually make a mount that is meant to go backwards so it sits a little more flush. I feel like that would give a little better acoustics to it. So BuiltRight, if you're watching this and you want to make that, I'd love to test it out and fit it into the truck and show everybody all about it. Have a good rest of your day, guys.